In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move object and image in Canva. This is a quick, practical way to reposition a person, product, or any subject inside a photo without leaving Canva. We'll use a feature called Magic Grab, which identifies the subject, separates it from the background, and lets you move it to a new spot while keeping the background intact. Start by opening your design and clicking on the photo you want to edit. Make sure you're selecting the actual image layer, not a frame or a grouped element. If you're working with multiple photos on the page, click once to highlight the correct one so the editing tools apply to the right image. Next, open Magic Studio. You can do this by choosing Edit Photo or by clicking Magic Studio in the top toolbar, depending on your interface. From there, select Magic Grab. You'll see Canva scan your image and highlight areas it thinks are good candidates to grab and move. Now, select the object you want to move. Click directly on the subject, and Canva will outline it. If the automatic selection isn't perfect, use the brush tool to paint over the parts that should be included. Zoom in for better precision and adjust your brush size for tight corners or fine edges like hair, fingers, or product details. Keep your strokes deliberate and stay close to the subject's edges. If you include a bit too much, undo and refine your painted area with smaller, careful strokes. When you're happy with the selection, click Grab. The object will detach from the background. Now simply drag it to a new position in the photo. You can place it slightly left or right to improve composition, center it for symmetry, or move it away from clutter to make it stand out. If you need small adjustments, use gentle drags for fine control. Finish by adjusting size and placement. Drag a corner handle to resize proportionally and reposition until the subject looks natural in its new location. Pay attention to visual cues like shadows, perspective, and spacing, and try to align the object with elements in the background so it feels like it belongs there. When everything looks right, click Done to apply the changes to your image and return to the main editor. That's it. Thanks for watching.